Page number 31. Fractions. Fractions. Second chapter. Page 31. Okay. First of all, what is a fraction? Fractions means from lower classes we are listening in our daily life. We are using fractions as half, quarter, one third, two third, like that. Fraction is a fraction is a number that expressed as a part of a group, as a part of a group, part of a group. Fractions are written in the form of fractions are written in the form of a by b, where a is the numerator, b is denominator. Upper part is the numerator, this is denominator. Examples: 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means we can understand there are 4 parts in a whole group and we are taking one group. And 3 by 8, what is the meaning of 3 by 8? There are 8 parts are there in a group, we are taking 3. So this is 3 by 8. What is 2 by 5? What is 2 by 5? What is 2 by 5? There are 5 parts in a group, we are taking 2. Like that. Suppose both are equal, 6 by 6, it is treated as 1. Sometimes numerator is more. Here the numerator is more, so it is more than 1. It is 1 by 6. 7 is divided by 6. 6 1 are 6. Remainder 1. So this is written as we are getting one whole number and the fraction 1 by 6. If numerator is more, it is, you think, whole number, more than whole number. So next, upper part is numerator, and numerator, a is numerator, and b is denominator. A is numerator, b is denominator. Denominator, numerator, yes. Now, types of fractions. Types of fractions. Number 1, proper fractions. Proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less, denominator is more. Example: 3 by 4, 5 by 8, and 7 by 12, like that. Here, numerator is less than denominator. Second, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Reverse. Numerator is more than denominator. 4 by 3, 8 by 5, 12 by 7, dash. In this, it is a fraction in which numerator is more than denominator. Or mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. It is a whole number. And proper fraction. We denote 2 1 by 3, 7 1 by 2, 3 1 by 4. That is. Here 2 7 are 2 7 3 are whole numbers, and this is proper fraction. It is a mixture of two numbers. One is a whole number and other is proper fraction. Sum of these two is mixed fraction. Next, decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. Every fraction can be expressed as decimal fraction. Suppose 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 is divided by 4. Numerator is divided by numerator. Numerator is divided by denominator. Then we get whole number W. Then we get some 0 or some remainder 0. Like this 1 by 4 will be expressed as 0.25 and 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 and 3 by 4 is 0.75 and 1 by 8 is 0.125. See, then 1 by 3 recurring. 1 by 3 we are not getting correct 0. We are there 3 dash dash or bar 3 or 0.3 bar. Always 3 is repeating. So like that. Every fraction can be expressed as decimal fraction by dividing numerator by denominator. Then we get the decimal fraction. Simple fractions. Simple fractions. 4th, 5th. Simple fractions. Simple fractions means both numerator and denominators are whole numbers. A by B belongs to whole number and B also belongs to whole number. Example 5 by 7. 5 is a whole number, 7 is also a whole number. Same. Belongs to W means W stands for whole numbers. Without decimals, without fractions, without decimals. Sixth, vulgar fractions. Vulgar fractions. Vulgar fraction means they are all different. We are not getting fractions having denominators as whole number other than any power of 10. They are not. We are not getting in decimals. Example 5 by 31 and 41 by 999 like this. They are not, denominators are not written as 10 power. We are not getting the denominator 0. Simple fractions. 7 complex fractions. Vulgar means it is in the name only. We are not getting the remainder 0 in this. We are getting always continuous process division. Complex numbers, fractions having either both numerator and denominator as fractions or mixed numbers are called composite numbers. Example 2 by again fraction and 3 by 4 by 6 by 7 like this. All fractions, and here 7 by 4, 1 by 3 like this. All different fractions. So they are called complex. Next, equivalent. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions can be formed by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same non-zero number. Suppose 2 by 5 is there. 2 by 5 equivalent fractions are multiplied by any number. 2 into 3 by 5 into 3. That is 6 by 15. This is 6 by 15 equivalent. And to take 3 by 7, to multiply by any number into 2 into 2. This is 6 by 3 by 7 is equal to 3 into 2 by 7 into 2. That is 6 by 14. This is the equivalent fractions. You multiply by any number. Not only 2, not only 3, not only 5. As you like. Such fractions are called equivalent fractions. 8. In the ninth, like fractions, like and unlike. Like fractions and then dislike fractions. Dislike fractions. See, like fractions, the fractions which are having same denominator. Suppose 7 by 11, 8 by 11, 3 by 11 like. So here all the denominators are same. Such fractions are called like fractions. And suppose your denominator is same. In the dislike fractions, different. These are all different. Numerator and denominator are different. Whereas fractions have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Different denominators, they are called dislike. This is their denominator 2, their denominator 4, their denominator 8. Whereas in like fractions, in a fraction, the denominator is the same. Denominator is same. Whatever the denominator, that will be same. Then we say like fractions. If the denominators are different, they are called dislike fractions. Like that, first of all, you learn all these, you study about the fractions.